When we think of dates, we mostly just think of a sweet snack, right? Something to satisfy that sugar craving. But what if I told you that inside that little fruit, you're holding a powerful natural pharmacy? Yeah! So let's dive in and uncover some of these amazing hidden health secrets.
So is it really true? Can dates actually be a form of natural medicine? Well, in this explainer, we're going to unpack that. We'll look at just how deeply this one simple fruit can impact our health, and trust me, in some ways, you probably never expected.
Okay, first up, let's start with the fundamentals. We're talking about how dates can literally build the foundation of your strength, starting with your bones and your day-to-day energy.
So let's get right to it. Skeletal health. If you're thinking about things like bone density or just staying strong as you get older, it turns out that adding dates to your diet could be a really big deal. But how exactly does that work?
Well, it all comes down to this powerful team of minerals. Dates are absolutely packed with calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. And these aren't just fancy words on a label, they are the literal building blocks your body needs to create and maintain strong, healthy bones. Think of them as the construction crew for your skeleton. And what about that afternoon slump? Forget those sugary energy drinks. Dates are full of natural sugars and carbs that give you an immediate, clean boost of energy. This makes them a perfect snack for just about anyone. Kids, adults after a long day, or even for refueling after a workout. So moving on from the bones and energy, dates also kind of act like an internal guardian for your body's most important systems. We're talking about everything from your digestion all the way to your heart.
And the secret weapon here? It's dietary fiber. Dates are incredibly rich in it. This fiber is the key to keeping your whole digestive system running like a well-oiled machine. It helps regulate everything and works as a super effective, natural way to prevent and treat issues like constipation.
And check this out. This shows you the impact on your heart. It's pretty clear, right? On one side, you've got higher risks, but just by adding dates to your diet regularly, the benefits are huge. We're talking about help with regulating blood pressure and even reducing the risk of serious things like heart disease and strokes. That's a game changer.
Okay, now for the part I'm really excited about. We've gone over some of the benefits you might have heard about, but dates are hiding some truly unexpected secrets. So let's pull back the curtain. This is amazing, especially for such a sweet fruit. Dates have what's called a low glycemic index. All that means is they don't cause your blood sugar to suddenly spike and then crash. The energy release is slow and steady. This makes them a surprisingly great sweet option, even for people who have to be really careful about managing their blood sugar. But the surprises don't stop there. There's also a very specific, very practical remedy for a really common ailment, and it's been hiding in our kitchens this whole time. Okay, here it is, a simple 4-step method for natural relief from hemorrhoids. Remember all that fiber we were just talking about? That's what makes this so effective. By soaking the dates, you soften them up and infuse the water, creating this gentle remedy that helps get your digestive system started on the right foot first thing in the morning. So when you bring this all together, it becomes so clear. We're not just talking about a fruit here. We are literally talking about a complete, natural pharmacy that you can hold right in the palm of your hand. So let's just recap this incredible package. You've got support for strong bones, you've got quick, clean energy, help for your digestion, a boost for your heart health, it helps regulate blood sugar, and it offers natural remedies. It really is the whole shebang. So the final question is really for you. Now that you know all this, how are you going to use it? Maybe blend them into a smoothie, use them as a natural sweetener, or just eat a few when you need a pick-me-up. How are you going to make room for this little pocket-sized pharmacy in your daily routine?